Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Welcome to our detailed guide on how to change the motor in your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. In this tutorial, we'll take you through each step, ensuring that you can perform this repair safely and effectively. Make sure you have all the tools ready before starting. You will need a Torx T10 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver for prying elements apart. First, make sure your vacuum is unplugged and completely powered off. Safety is our priority, so double check that there's no residual power. Start by removing the dust bin. It usually clicks off easily. Next, we're going to access the motor by disassembling the main body of the vacuum. Using your Torx T10 screwdriver, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. There are 4 screws to remove. Take your time to ensure you don't strip them. Place the screws in a small container for safekeeping. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the back cover. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open if it's a bit stuck. Inside, you'll notice the motor assembly. It's important to keep everything organized, so take a moment to note how the components are arranged before you continue. Next, unplug the motor wires carefully from the main circuit board. Ensure you are gentle. You don't want to cause any damage to the connections. It's also a good practice to take a picture of the wiring before disconnecting. Now remove the screws that hold the motor in place. Usually there are 3 to 4 screws securing the motor. After lifting the motor out, you may notice dust and debris inside the motor cavity. It's a good idea to clean this area using a soft brush or compressed air. Removing the dust can prevent overheating and prolong the life of your new motor. Now, let's take a look at the replacement motor. Before installing the new motor, ensure it's compatible with your model and set aside the screws you previously removed. To install the new motor, align it with the screw holes and secure it in place with the screws. Make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten to avoid damaging the casing. Once secured, reconnect the motor wires to the circuit board, referring to your earlier picture if necessary. Before you put everything back together, it's a good time to check for any additional damage or wear that might need attention. Once confirmed, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring that all tabs fit snugly. Following that, reinsert the screws in the back to lock everything in place. Finally, reattach the dust bin, and you're ready to test your vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure it's running smoothly. If at any point you feel uncertain or don't possess the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, professional pickup and delivery at your home, and we ensure no calls and no travel hassles. You can also receive a quote before the repair. Knowing these options are available can make your repair experience stress-free. Now your Dyson SV14 should be functioning at peak performance again. Enjoy your clean floors. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.